Hi, this is Dave Young with Uncle Mike's Law Enforcement Gear. You know, Uncle Mike's been making gear for a very long time. That means in the very first couple of years, any mistakes that were going to be made were made and corrected. And I can only tell you from personal experience, not only in the training that I conduct, but also in the real-world operations police officers conduct worldwide, that this is the finest gear, bar none. But listen, finest gear still needs to be maintained. You still have to have a familiarization and orientation with your gear. Such as little tips like after you do some drawing drills, you should take a screwdriver and tighten up any screws and make any adjustments. Because listen, the trauma with that holster coming in and out of that gear is going to actually cause it to loosen up a little bit. You want to make sure that your gear is ready to perform when your life depends on it the most. So we're going to share with you many ideas and tricks and strategies that have actually been passed on to me for the last 25 plus years. I want to pass them on to you. Hi, this is Dave Young with Armor Training and Uncle Mike's Law Enforcement Gear. And what we're going to do, we're going to talk about cleaning and inspecting your gear after training exercises. You know, we want to make sure that we have no rips, tears, any separation between any of the plastics and any of the Velcro and any of the nylon that might be sewn. You'll see there's some actual dirt here. And one of the easiest ways to get some of that dirt and that surface dirt off is just using a non-oil-based soap and a soft sponge and just cleaning the outside of it. And you'll see that you can get all the dirt and grime off of it just with a soft sponge and some non-oil-based soap. But one of the things I want to pay careful attention to is actually the snap and the straps. A lot of times during training, handgun retention training, you're on the ground. This is getting rubbed into the grass and into the sand. And a lot of times we get snaps. We get a lot of dirt up inside these things. So you definitely want to take a Q-tip and clean not only the male piece, but also the female piece. You don't want a piece of rock stuck up inside there that gives you the impression that it's secured, but it doesn't snap. So after you take a Q-tip and clean around the outside, you definitely, as you can see, you want to get some of that dirt out of there. Make sure you can snap it, test it, to make sure that it's going to retain your firearm and help secure it inside the holster properly. You should clean your gear, especially after a training exercise.